Chow Mein. For this recipe I'm using Quorn Pieces, Blue Dragon Chow Mein sauce, Beansprouts, mushrooms, spring onions, or scallions in America, some rice, and a small frying pan, just a small one. You may note this is long grain rice. That's because I ran out of short grain rice, which the other video is. First, the rice. I recommend a rice cooker to cook the rice. It's much better than making it in a pan. First, you need 2 cups of rice. This is short grain rice. Then add 2 cups of water, or 2 and a bit cups of water. Two. Now put the lid on, set it to cook, and it will cook for 15 minutes, and then it will automatically change to warm, and you leave it for a further 15 minutes, and then it's all ready, nice and fluffy. Put some oil in your pan. Turn the power on and put your corn straight in. Do not thaw your corn before you start cooking, because it'll be soft. Do not put it in a very hot pan like you normally would for a stir fry, because the ice crystals will split everywhere. Trust me. That should do. If you thaw the corn first, it goes soft and it's very hard to cook with. You want to cook these until they're slightly browned. You have turned your rice cooker on, of course. See the ice crystals? Those will spit. Keep an eye on that rice cooker, because it doesn't go ding when 15 minutes are up. You have to watch it. And then you have to set your timer for 15 minutes while it's warming, because it doesn't ding when the 15 minutes are up either. When 12 minutes are up on the warming, add your vegetables. Beansprouts, mushrooms, and your spring onions. Cook for a further minute. What's it all about? There we pieces up. Now add your Blue Dragon Chow Mein sauce. The rest is on the back, by the way. I adapted it for Quorn. All the salt there. And cook for a further minute. At high heat. Now you may think that chow mein has to have noodles, but you can also use rice. This should be ready. Now splodge some soy sauce on your rice. Love soy sauce. Love it, love it, love it. Now, let's see what it tastes like. Out of this world. Now the demo's over, you can go back to using a fork.
Service to Edinburgh, Toilet Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to